Assalamu alaikum everybody. So another question for you guys. Analyze with the help of a PPC diagram the effect of reallocating resources from kerosene to LPG. So reallocation, like I told you guys already, that reallocation of resources means that we are operating on a point on the curve. We are operating at a point on the curve, and then we are moving towards another point on the same curve. So it's like a movement along the curve. And they are saying now, basically, if we are moving resources, we are reallocating resources from kerosene to LPG. So that means previously we made more kerosene and less of LPG. So if let's say we are at point this point, and this is, let's say, point A, and at point A we are producing let's say 80 of kerosene and let's say 30 of LPG. And now we are moving to another point. So let's say this is another point and this is point B. Now at point B we are producing more LPG and we are producing less of kerosene. So there is a decline in the production of kerosene here. So this is, let's say, maybe 50 units, and here let's say it's 70 units. So now for making 40 more units of LPG, we are foregoing 30 units of kerosene. So that means we are basically moving from point A to B. This is reallocation of resources. And in this case, the production of kerosene is going down, the production of LPG is going up. And then in the analysis, we are basically going to write about opportunity cost, and we'll have to mention that this is a movement along the curve. So for the analysis, I'll have to write here that reallocating resources means moving from one point of production to another point. In this case, the movement is from point A to point B. So at point A, the economy is producing 80 units of kerosene and 30 units of LPG. When the economy moves, so when the economy moves to point B, it produces more LPG and has to forego 30 units of kerosene. Hence the opportunity cost is 30 units of kerosene. So hence the opportunity cost of basically this reallocation, the opportunity cost in this case is 30 units of kerosene. So that's it for this video. So this is another question, just a part of a question in the past paper. So this was from May June 2018, paper 2 variant 3. This was question 6 and it was part C of question 6. So thank you so much for